Litecoin is about to break out. Current price of Litecoin is about 139 US dollars, and Matic is also doing tremendously well. Today it's actually up by about 9%. So in today's episode, we are going to be talking about Litecoin and Matic because I really know that you guys really love these cryptocurrencies. I go by the name of Muna. Welcome to Beyond 10x. Feel free to subscribe, hit the like button as well, and in case you've got any other questions for me, please drop them in the comment section below. You guys always have to remember that I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, and whatever you do, please do your own due diligence. Without further ado, let's get into these markets and just see what we are about to do. So anyhow, the past few videos, I think I talked about Litecoin, right? And I really told you my game plan. So pretty much in today's video, I'm going to be giving you more of my game plan because I really think that Litecoin is going to do tremendously well. And if we look at the history of Litecoin, right, it usually leads the out season. I mean, 2 months from now, Litecoin is going to be having its halvening, and a lot of people are really anticipating this big event because it's going to like really cut the supply of Litecoin. So obviously the demand of Litecoin is really going to tremendously go up. So anyway, we are looking at the 4 hourly right now. So if you look at the Fibonacci levels, right, if we go from the top all the way to the bottom, right, it's very evident that Litecoin is getting closer to the 38.2% fib level, which is approximately 154 US dollars. So right now the current price of Litecoin is about $138, right? So I'm actually expecting to take quite a lump sum of profit right around this area because it's a 38.2% fib level, right? And obviously there's going to be a little bit of a resistance, just like we have experienced in the previous cryptocurrency markets as well, because 38.2 and 61.4 are very good golden numbers as far as Fibonacci levels are concerned. So anytime soon we're about to experience a very good breakout to the upside, and I'm expecting us to reach about 154 US dollars all the way to about 160 US dollars as far as Litecoin is concerned. So obviously I'm going to be taking a few profits off of the table, and I would really advise you to do the same as well. So anyhow, the other thing that I really wanted to like show you guys is that if you look at the weekly, right, we are having a very good situation where the 20 exponential weekly moving average is crossing above the 50 exponential moving average, which is like a pre-golden cross, if I can put it that way. So we are in extremely bullish territory. So that is very exciting. But the most important thing that I really wanted to bring to your attention, right, if we look at Litecoin on the daily chart, right, this is very, very evident that we are having somewhat of a bullish flag. I mean, if we had to do this, right, this is like a very classical bullish flag, if I can put it that way. So as soon as we keep on tightening and just trading within this range, right, obviously Litecoin is going to act like a spring, and we are most likely going to end up going up high and just having very good upward bullish momentum. So obviously if we look at the volume profile, if we look at the OBV is very, very good right now because we have been trending upwards in terms of the volume, which is very, very bullish. Look at that amazing increase in the on balance volume. So overall, this is a great sign.
I'm white.
I'm black.
I'm yellow. I'm red.
I am ranked.
Let's look at the price in US dollar first of all. So the current price is slightly 2 cents plus some change. As you guys can see, last time we talked about Matic, right, the price of Matic was in these areas. So you guys obviously got to like make quite some substantial amount of money. So what you're supposed to be doing, right, if you guys ended up buying Matic when the price of Matic was within these price points, what you're supposed to do right now is set your stop losses. Okay, whenever you are like in a safe area, try to set your stop limit slightly above the price that you bought at. Let's move over to the 1 hourly. So what's been happening is we are trading relatively closer to the 38.2% fib level, which is about 272, right? And right now we are at 262 Satoshi. So what's going to happen in the next coming few hours, right? I don't know, like in the next coming week, we are obviously going to be slowly consolidating closer closer to the 38.2% fib level. Whenever you guys are going to be seeing that we are, you know, just like going or rather having very little volatility but closer to the 38.2% fib level, right? That's a very good bullish sign, and it really means that we are about to have a breakout, especially to the upside. So whenever this 38.2% fib level is going to be broken, right, expect us to have like a massive upward momentum movement to the upside, and expect us to move over to the 61.8 fib level, yeah, here around 300 or rather even closer or above this area. Okay, so whenever we are going to be trading slightly closer to 38.2% fib level, right, the most logical thing to happen is us going to test this other golden fib level right over here, which is going to be relatively closer to about 301. So you guys can actually get to like make some profit and sell right over here, because obviously a lot of people are going to be selling right over here at this other golden number in terms of Fibonacci levels. So that's just basically what's going to happen, and yeah, that's what I'm going to be expecting us to be doing pretty soon. So right now it really seems like we are sort of finding a little bit of resistance here, but it doesn't really matter. Just give it a little bit of time, and Matic is obviously going to do its thing, and we are eventually going to end up cracking the 38.2% fib level, and we are obviously going to end up going up higher. So eventually you guys are going to be able to make let's say, I don't know, 31% if you guys ended up buying these dips right over here, which is very good. It's been your boy Muna, aka Beyond 10x. Be good, take care, and talk to you guys a little bit later. Bye.